So going to pick up my daughter from school because we're kind of out of options. I got one sick son at home, another son sitting watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Oldest daughter is on her way to Atlanta for a checkup on her jaw. And so I get to pick up 5-year-old on a motorcycle in the rain. That's just how life is right now. This is a perfect metaphor for everything that's going wrong. And just, yeah, not much else I can do. Oh, anyway, I'll see where she is. Thought I just saw her walking in. Maybe not. But I'm like getting completely soaked. I was hoping that I'd be here near the end. But I'm not. There she is. Anna. All the way to the end. All right. Put your jacket on.
Why are you doing it?
Well, because Gwen is on her way to Atlanta with Mommy.
Why are you taking me to... Why are you doing the motorcycle today?
Because Mommy's going to Atlanta with Gwen.
Oh, Atlanta?
Yep, to get her jaw looked at. Ugh. All right, you ready?
Yeah. How do I get on?
Right here. Ugh. There you go. You got it?
Yep.
All right, hold on tight. Here we go. We're gonna get a little wet. I'm getting a lot wet. But you know, people ask me all the time, you know, hey, you ride motorcycle everywhere, right? Well, what do you do when it rains? Well, this is what I do when it rains. I get wet. It's not that fun, but usually I have rain gear. I lost track of time, did not have time to put rain gear on this time, so I was like, you know what? It's only a mile away. I'm gonna just go and get her. And well, you know, I'm getting completely soaked. I'm sure she's getting soaked too back there. Oh, the rain's kind of cold on my hands, but anyway. Be excellent to each other. This is gonna be a fun day. Tuba Billy. I can't sign out right now because I don't want to wreck. Tuba Billy is signing out. Come on, gotta be with you till we meet again.